Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Alrighty, guys, so let's get into today's happy mail because, oh my god, guys, I'm super duper excited to announce that I am part of the Sammy Lynn design team. And here is my freebie. It is Eileen 15 for 15% off. During sale days, you will put this in notes and you will still get my freebie, but you will only get the discount of that sale day. Sale day, sorry guys. Oh, what else was I gonna say? Because the I think it's PUC planner sale is coming up the 27th through the 30th or the 31st. I will put the caption. Sorry, my brain have a little bit of a brain fart today. But yeah, so but you will get my cute and also super duper functional planner freebie. I love it. It's so cute, so beautiful. I love it. I really do. So it does have like these cute little hearts, these planner clips. You get coffee cups, dinner, and mail or happy mail. These cute little glittery brush strokes. And yeah, so I will put everything, all links will be listed down below. Alrighty, let's get into what you are waiting for. Let's get into some kits. I got some kits, I got some brush strokes, and I got also some other few things that she has in her shop. Why did I throw that all the way over there when I need it? Putting stuff away, reaching over. Alrighty, guys, sorry. I'm like, why did it go flying over that way? My mess is a bit of a... My desk is a huge mess, and I have to clean it, like, ASAP. Alright, sorry, guys. Why is it there? Okay. Anyways, sorry. Okay. So we have Crystal Moon. This kit, I love crystals. I love the moon. I love astrology. I wear black all the time. I love that the gold is so looks like antique. I love antique gold. It's not super bright. It's very like a distress, as you can see. It's just so up my alley. So here are the full boxes. She does also have other yellow and black brush strokes, which I'm kicking myself for not getting. They can also go with kits that are already in her shop, not just this one, or kits that you may need black and yellow icons for. So head on over to her shop. And yeah, so we have the full boxes, we have the heart checklist, we have the quarter boxes, flag checklist, half boxes, and these cute adorable little circles. I love to use these in case you can use them for appointments or whatever. I like to use these for my journaling pages. So if you guys like memory keeping, you could also do that as well. You have your functional icons, date covers, hydration, more weekend banners. Yeah, so you have your cute little functionals. You have more, sorry, backwards. You also have your headers, glitters, and then you have more glitter headers and your bottom washi, habit trackers, and flags. If you don't use the flags, again, if you're into memory keeping, I definitely highly recommend, kind of using that as well, or journaling. This one is called Pink Lemonade. I love this one because pink lemonade is like one of my absolute favorite drinks in the summertime. So here is the beautiful, and I think that this would be really cute for the weekend. When life gives you lemon, make pink lemonade. I love that. So I'm definitely going to be using that. And when I do the plan with me, I'm going to share that as well. So here are your heart checklists. You get your half and quarter boxes, flags, and you get these cute little circles. And I love this green. This is such a beautiful green. Again, beautiful job with the and look how blended. Oh, I love that. and your little cute circles in yellow. This, okay, so you also get your functional headers and glitter headers, your checklist and weekly checklist, sorry, flags. And you also get your functionals, your weekend banner, your hydrate, and your date covers. And you get more washi up top, and this is headers, the thicker washi, and then this is your bottom washi. Or you can use it for top, like I used to use it for my habit tracker. I'm not happy planner. My apologies. Why can't I talk today? Oh my goodness. Alrighty guys, I guess I kind of mixed up the order here. I apologize. I've done this video like 3 times. I don't know why I cannot upload it to my program so I can finally get it ready for. All right, so this is the bottom washi right here, and then you get your thicker washi. It's like, how many do you get? 2, 4, 6, 8. That's awesome. So you get 8 of those, the thicker washi, and then here is your icons. I mean, not your icons, your full boxes, full deco boxes, your box checklist, heart checklist. You get your quarter, half boxes, flags, and your cute little circles down here. You get your headers, your glitter, not glitter, washi. You get your habit trackers, your weekly habit trackers, and flags. And then you have your functional icons, date covers, weekend banner, hydration, and if you go to the movies or whatever. This one is called Red, White, and Blue. I absolutely just fell in love with it. I love flowers. I personally like, my favorite flower is calla lilies, and these roses are just so dainty and beautiful. Super, super cute. So here is your deco boxes, your checklist, your heart checklist, half and quarter boxes, flags, and your little circles. Here are your headers, washi, 3 habit trackers, and your flags. You get beautiful 4 of those. Love that. Here is your functional page with your date covers and weekend banner and all that good stuff. I love that she gives you a lot of, you know, your little icons there. And here is the more washi, and then the thicker washi, and your habit, not your habit tracker, your bottom washi. Body, you know, I'm just going to say long washi, because this can be used, like I said, you can use it at the top or you can use it at the bottom. Whatever, you know, works for you, whatever is, you know, fits your planner needs. Here is the Nautical Kit. Love this distressed. Oh my goodness. If you, you can also use this, you know, for July 4th if you wanted to, you know, because some people like to go to the beach during that time. But it's a beautiful kit during the summer or whenever you just feel like, you know, this kind of a kit. I love that. Super duper. And like I said, I love the distress. So we have your checklist, your box checklist, habit trackers, not habit trackers, quarter boxes and half boxes, quarter boxes, flags, and your circles. Super duper cute. Love the colors. These headers are just like so, and washi headers are just in checklist. Everything's just so cute. I love it. Super duper. Here is your functional page, and look at these date covers. Like, wow. I love those little details. My faves. And here is the thicker washi, and then you get your bigger washi. So that is that. Since okay, so let me just kind of, it's here. If you want to add, it kind of like adds on to the Nautical Kit and or the Red, White, and Blue kit. She does have some patriotic brush strokes. I got the planners, trustees. This could be shopping, I believe. Yeah, I think this is shopping. This is the hearts. You have your cups. You have your dinner plates. Also, date dots, which is really super. So you can use these. I think these would go really well. I mean, it can go well with any kit that you see fit, but kind of giving you hopefully a little bit of ideas to throw out there. And she also has the, sorry about that, I was doing my nails, and I got some flakies all over the place. She has the date covers and patriotic brushstrokes. So there's a bunch of different to choose from. I love that idea. So also that I decided to add on, you could use this for whatever kit, or just like a minimalistic summer kit, or whatever time of year you would love to use them. You have the Mermaid Collection that I think I have everything. We have 3 checklists. We have the quarter boxes. She has 2 different washies. So this is the washies. It's 2 different kinds. And I love that. Love the colors. And then you have your quarter box. Yeah, these are your quarter boxes. Sorry. Then you have the weekend banner. Your little note pages. And then you have the cups, because you can use it for whatever, like coffee, tea, hot chocolate. And what else did I get? Alrighty. So I also got the glittered or rainbow glitter checklist. Definitely can use for whatever. If you need more weekly checklists or just want something different, you can use that. To watch, I like this to use in my journaling pages, or you can use these for your planner. Gotta have our pizza night, because we love our pizza, whether we make it ourselves or get it from our favorite local place. So I love the slices. They have pizza, and then it also has pizza night. So that's really cool. So you can use them for whatever. And then we have bath time, and then we have new school. I think I did buy the school stickers, but I don't see them here. I might have left them upstairs, but they are super duper cute as well. And I love the fact that there are so many on a page. So that is my haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And to save 15%, please use Eileen15. And more information about the sale will, when I get it, I will provide it for you guys. And thank you for watching, and bye for now.